Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to show you guys a brand new headset that I received from Etekcity. It is called Etekcity Scroll H5GX. It is a budget gaming headset. Today I'm going to unbox it and also review it and how good it is. Alright, so without wasting your time, let's just get into it. You can see the box is nicely done. Once you open the box itself, the components that are in it is the H5GX gaming headset. It also comes with a user manual and also comes with a little brochure that comes with a how to become a eTech citizen. User manual itself talks about the introduction and the instructions of how you can connect it and also some technical features of what it will provide for you, which we will be covering in this video. And also in the back it shows what type of connections it have. Alright, so you can see the headset that it is nicely designed. Ergonomically it is perfect of how you're going to set it up, how it fits your head. You can see it from the side that it does have a rotating mic, so you can go back and forth. And on top of that, the ear cushions itself is very soft, so it doesn't hurt your ears if you have it for a longer time. And also the top part of it is also a little soft, so that way when you put it on your head or you want to make it go up and down, make it smaller or bigger, so that way it would fit your head, it does not hurt your head. The wire itself is threaded, so that way if you have twisted it, that way it doesn't go to break. And on top of that, the connections that are on this is all 3.5 audio jacks. It does come with the one mic, one for the speaker itself, and also the USB is created so that way the LED on this headset could be lit, and what you can see it right now. It does come with a little control box so you can control the volume to go up or down, which is phenomenal. Again, this headset itself, after testing it for almost 2 weeks, we have came to conclusion that this is really good headset. Why? Because it has the high and the lows really good, and also the overall bass is really good too, so that way you're not going to miss anything. On top of that, I would recommend for everybody to get one since it is a budget, and this headset is selling right now under $30, and it is a really awesome product to get. Again, for the meantime, this is one of the best ones, so I really enjoy having it, and I am using this headset for my day-to-day basis right now. It is standing out. I will be providing a link where you can order this from in Canada or United States, and if you guys do want it in another part of the world, please let me know and I will be providing a link for you guys too. Except that I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment in the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is etekcity.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Vine, Instagram, and other social networking places, and thank you.